Stephanie Dang, and today I am using Hip Kits Club November 2023 kits for this layout. I like to frame most of my photos when I am working on a layout. I am using papers from the main kit and also paper from the cardstock kit. Hip Kit Club also has a cut file shop that you can buy and use them with your electronic cutting machines to cut them out. They are also all free when you become a subscriber. How awesome is that? I'm using the Hot Cocoa Cut and the Merry Christmas cut files for this layout. Here I'm just using a light board to help me trace the pattern paper to layer it on the cut. I have all chosen paper cut and glued onto my Hot Cocoa Cut file. I also cut out the Merry Christmas cut file, layered some exclusive cardstock kit paper behind it for my title. I'm using the Opalescent Stardust Glitter Butter Paste from the Hip Kits Club color kit to add some glittery shimmer to my title. Look at that awesome shine. Just adding some dimensional adhesive to my title because I do want it to pop away from my background. I'm going to leave the background on my title because I know for sure I will be tucking away some embellishments behind it. I'm using the limited edition November 2023 Christmas window gift tag die set to cut out this tag. I'm starting to play around with embellishments, or shall I say, custom make some embellishments by using the exclusive limited edition November 2023 Spruce and Holly die set. I'm also using the November 2023 limited edition exclusive Pocket Life stamp set. I'm starting to get into the more fun part of creating a layout, and that is tucking and playing around with embellishments. My embellishments are coming both from the main kit and the embellishment kit. I'm grabbing Hip Kit Club color kit of this month again to add some minor splatters to my layout. I'm also using the Dandelion Glossy Crystal Drops from the color kit to add some custom enamels. My layout is done, so be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoy our process videos. Click the notification button to be notified every time we add a new video. Leave a comment below if you have any questions about your projects or the Hip Kit Club, and we will be sure to reply. The Hip Kit Club kits are all exclusive products that cannot be found anywhere except in the kits. Thank you so much for watching. I am Stephanie Dang. I hope your holidays are filled with happiness and joy.